All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get paid for your social media marketing agency. All right, everybody, welcome back to Two Guys Build a Biz on YouTube, the best place on YouTube for anything related to starting, growing, or scaling your business online. If those topics are relevant to you, why not subscribe? And don't forget to tap bell notifications so that you'll be notified the next time that we post a free piece of valuable content just like this one. We do have one request, and that is if you find this video useful, why not hit the like button? It really helps out the channel a lot, and it also helps YouTube know that this is a valuable piece of content that helps out other entrepreneurs just like yourself. So let's go ahead and talk about the fun stuff, which is how to get paid for your SMMA. Now, funny story before we jump into it. When Derek and I were first getting our agency started, we found success faster than we ever thought we would. Our first client, we closed less than 2 weeks after having the idea to start our business, and they were willing to give us $3,000 per month. The problem was that we didn't have our business bank account or anything else set up yet, and we were scrambling, trying to figure out how to get paid and still look professional. Needless to say, everything worked out, but we want to save you a little bit of that heartache and get you on your way right away. So here's what you need to know to get paid for your SMMA. First of all, let's talk about what you need. First thing that you're going to need is a contract. You send this out to the business owner, they sign it, you sign it, you have legally binding terms, and everybody's in a good spot. If you need a contract template, I'll link you to another video where we talk about that topic down below. The second thing that you need is a platform to invoice and or take payment. And the third thing that you need is a bank account where that money can go. So really quick, this is what the process looks like. You're gonna go through your sales process, you're gonna get business owners that are willing to do business with your agency. You're gonna go ahead and send them a contract. You can shoot this over either via email or through a platform like DocuSign that enables them to sign it. Once that's signed, you're gonna go to your invoicing platform and you're gonna go ahead and send them an invoice. They're going to go ahead and pay that invoice through any payment method, including the web portal for the actual invoice, and that money is going to go into your bank account. That's the process from start to finish. Let's talk about the details. All right, so I just jumped into the computer, so let's talk about some of the tools that you can actually use to get paid. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to assume that you already have a contract, all that stuff's already set up, and you've got an gain agreement with your client. The next thing that you're going to need is some sort of portal where you can send your invoices and collect payment. What you're looking at here is a platform called Stripe, and this is by far our favorite to use. What's really nice about Stripe is that you can not only take credit card payments, but your clients can also pay via confidential ACH or bank transfer. It's a really nice, easy to use portal that sends out all your invoices, and it's something that your clients are usually used to seeing because it powers so many payments on the internet already. So it looks pro, you can brand it with your own logo, and everything looks awesome. So what you're looking at here is actually an invoice that was sent to one of our clients this week for $8,300. You can see that they can not only pay with Google Pay, but they can pay with their credit card. And for some clients, we also provide ACH details as well if they want to pay via a direct bank transfer. So they can type in their information here, and then boom, we get paid. It shows up in our account a couple of days later. One really neat feature about Stripe is that you can actually set up what are called subscriptions. So under my payments tab here, under subscriptions on the left, you can actually go ahead and create a subscription. Now, why subscriptions are important is Stripe is going to remember to send out that invoice every 30 days automatically. We found that when we were first getting started, we started getting busy and subscriptions would go out a couple of days late, which meant that we collected payment a couple of days late. Definitely not the end of the world, but your clients are going to be expecting that invoice on the same day every single month, and they'll pay it on the same day every single month. So why not get paid on time? So all that we would need to do here is add in a customer, we'll enter in their information, we'll add in our price for the product, create a subscription, and then it'll automatically go out, and we can choose whether to automatically charge the payment method on file or to email them an invoice that looks just like this every single month. I'm partial to emailing it to them just so we aren't recurring billing them without their consent, especially for big numbers like $8,300. A lot of our clients are bigger companies at this point and they have an accounts payable process. So by emailing them that invoice every month, they can track it on their end and they get it paid. Some other great ways to get paid as well is via a direct check or even an e-check. So with the Stripe invoice, your client can actually write you a paper check. You can deposit it into your bank account and mark their invoice as complete. Not every client's going to want to pay via credit card, but a lot of them do. So by accepting a check payment, it makes it easy. They can just mail it to you and pay it the old school way. Another great way to take payment is via e-check. So if your clients don't want to mail you a check and they don't want to pay via credit card, you can use a platform like Bill.com, send them an invoice every single month, and they can pay it with an e-check, just like they would anything else that they pay via check. Even larger, sophisticated businesses still pay a lot of stuff by check, so it's a good way to be able to take payment through that method as well. Finally, I know a lot of you might be doing business internationally, including us, and in those cases, you're going to want to take what is called a wire payment. A wire is very simple. All that it is a direct bank transfer to your account number and your routing number. If it's international, you'll need to collect what's called a SWIFT code, SWIFT, and your clients will pay that through the international banking conglomerate, which, if I'm not mistaken, is called SWIFT, hence the name. The best way to get more information on this, if a client asks to pay via wire, is just to contact your bank directly. They'll give you all the details that you need to know and get you sorted out so you can tell your client what they need to do and to get you paid via wire. So yeah, lots of options, but at the core, all that you need to do is have a signed agreement, cut the invoice through a platform like Stripe, Bill.com, QuickBooks, any sort of web portal, The client receives that invoice, they pay it through their preferred payment method, and you're off to the races. Money's in your bank account a couple of days later, and you're feeling good. If you want help on other things like this and getting your business launched, a great place to start is the SMMA Blueprint. It's a course that Derek and I created that's helped thousands of other agency owners get their agencies up and off the ground and start setting invoices just like we talked about. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. As always, love chatting with you guys. So if you have other questions we can answer relevant to your social media marketing agency or online business, let us know in the comments down below. And I'm always curious to hear what you think of these videos. Let us know down below. That said, if you found this video useful, don't forget to tap like so that other entrepreneurs can get value out of it just like you did. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hang out with us and see the next uploads that we post to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.